Good morning, my dear children. Hope all of you are enjoying this new version of learning. Please follow the classes properly, listen to the explanation, go through the PDFs and all other study materials provided by your teachers. Copy them down in your classwork copy so that it will become easier for you to learn. Today we will discuss types of chart in Excel, chapter 3. Types of charts in Excel. Excel provides you different types of charts that suit your pros. Based on the type of data, you can create a chart. You can also change the chart type later. See, the first type is line chart. Line chart. This figure shows line chart. So what is a line chart? Line chart can show continuous data over time on an evenly scaled axis. Therefore, they are ideal for showing trends in data at equal intervals such as months, quarters or years. The next point is column chart. This is the figure of column chart. A column chart typically displays the categories along the horizontal axis and values along the vertical axis. In a column chart, each data point in a series is represented by a column that rises from the x-axis. Column charts are useful when the height of individual points is more important than the trend in a series. Our third point is 3D stacked column chart. The 3D stack column chart shows the relationship of parts of a whole. Clear, students? The next point is bar chart. This one is bar chart. This one is bar chart. This one is 3D stack column chart. Bar chart illustrate comparisons among individual items. In a bar chart, the categories are organized along the vertical axis and the values are organized along the horizontal axis. To create a bar chart, arrange the data in columns or row on the worksheet. Clear? The next one is pie chart. This one is pie chart. The pie chart is used to plot data for a single data series. Each data point is represented by one slice of the circular pie chart. The size of each slice is proportional to the value it represents. So all the data points taken together make a complete circle. The data points in the pie chart are shown as a percentage of the whole pie. Clear? The next one is donut. Donut chart. A donut chart shows the relationship of parts to a whole. It is similar to a pie chart with the only difference that a donut chart can contain more than one data series, whereas a pie chart can contain only one data series. A donut chart contains rings and each ring representing one data series. Clear? The next one is area chart. See, this is the figure of area chart. An area chart is similar to a line chart, but the data point markers are not displayed and the area beneath the line is filled with color. An area chart emphasizes the magnitude of change in data over time. It is mainly used for representing sales and production figures. The next one is XY scatter chart. The XY scatter chart plots each data point with a marker. Unlike the line chart, the x-axis of the scatter chart has number instead of textual labels. So, x-axis tick marks are spaced according to their values and not just evenly spaced along the axis. Clear? The next one is bubble chart. This one is XY scatter chart and this one is bubble chart. The bubble chart is a variation of the scatter chart in which data points are replaced with bubbles. Data points are represented with bubbles. The next point is radar chart. See, radar chart. This one is radar chart. The radar chart plots data in concentric circles. Each data series is plotted along a separate axis from the center point to the outer ring. Lines connect values from the same series. Clear? The next one is stock chart. The next one is stock chart. As the name implies, the stock charts can show fluctuation in stock prices. The data for a stock chart may contain the stock name, stock incidence, date, the volume of stock traded, the opening and closing prices of the stock, and the highest and lowest price of the stock. The last one is 3D surface chart. What is 3D surface chart? This one, this figure shows 3D surface chart. The 3D surface chart creates as three-dimensional view of data, as for example, topographic map. Clear, students? Hope you understand. Thank you.